Morning people. So, I'm going to shed some light on something we are going in other family where people don't really understand, because when you see a celebrity and you see a celebrity and a celebrity can tell you, say them care for such people and such people, but when we believe it and think say it's true, really not knowing what's going on in the dark. You get what I say? So I'm showing you this. All of Marian brother and sister them. Sample, Sister, Precious. Right? Them three there. Three are the worst people them I know in the family. Cause first, one. Right? Before them start 8 pound when all of them something there. You get what I say? Before all of this come up and people are run out people out of them house and all kind of them things. Because remember, you take man from country, bring man a town, then you run man back a country. Because basically, me the OT right you know, and every single day me hear the same thing, come out of my house, come out of my house. You see me? So soon, little bit from this, my good dollar sent me now back which part them claim so they get me from. You see me? So we're going to the history of how all of this go on now. Back in 2006, about 8th grade me, you know. Right? You have a brother named Lick Shotway. He come to me and my brother and say, yo, here what I go on. The queen said she want to come at Ochi, you see me? For deal with something. We don't know how I go on, people. We don't know not how I go on. We reach at Ochi without nobody knowing say we're at Ochi. And she called me and my brother in the room one away and she said, some things are going on in a place here where we don't know about, but me I go make you know what I go on and thing. You see me? Because we don't know nothing. And she explained to such man cook food, can come gear, and such man I put something in it will look like the salt them will come out of shoes. You know them shoes, them little bags, something they will come in at the shoes, where them little glassy looking something there. She said such man I put some of them thing there, or people I put them thing there in her food and a gear. So she find herself have amnesia, and she finds the people that come to her and I tell her to sign over her things them give them, to try to get her things them. Right? She stays a bum, show me and my brother in a van, car we go watch it town. We don't know what we are do. We got one place, one man did there, in our office, and he start wheel out a bag of paper. And I say, sign this, so note people, we don't know nothing what take place. We just know say we are sign signature upon certain things and don't know wait for. Then when we are driving, she explains, say, she find out, say, the whole of them want her things round her. You get what I say? So we say, alright then, boom. See, after now, we sign them paper there, couple days after that, be an argument in the house. Oh, you can't them go sign over the house, give them. You give them the house and record. People know it, me I show you this. Anything when Marian have for herself, I don't consider for my own. If me want something, I go work for it, brethren. Because you see, if you have to ask somebody for your 5 grand and them go tell you all kind of bad word or cuss you or something, it make no sense to beg them, you go look your own. So I adapt that thing there for go look my own. You get what I say? They up at the yard, one whole heap of argument over who them sign over house and all kind of sitting. You see me? So all of a sudden everybody start hate for me and my brother now. Because then happy to say we get where them forget. And you see from the day we sign them paper there, for them thing there which we never did know nothing about. Every single body in the family, I show evil eye, them hate we. You see me? Because then so we get where them forget. Note people, when me I grew up around her, the same one we she have there over there we boy, oh me a ladysaw sister, you know where you go and see ladysaw, you see me. She had the first one with thief money. And I built a big mansion on a hill while her grandmother did alive. 2 of them a plan up and a take money and a pay down on big house up a hill. And it's when she changed her name out her bank account and bank said them a go seize her thing them, she realized that people did a thief her money millions every month a pay upon big house on a hill, which is the